Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to watch NORAD Center Tracker on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the NORAD Center Tracker app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are inside, you will see a Santa's countdown. This is where you can track Santa in real time on Christmas Eve. You can also tap on Watch or Track Santa buttons to see Santa moving across different countries. This updates automatically as Santa delivers gifts. If you want an even more fun experience, tap on the three straight line at the top right corner. You will find games, videos, and fun activities related to Santa and Christmas. It's a great way to keep kids entertained while waiting for Santa. And that's it. On Christmas Eve, you can follow Santa's journey live and even explore fun holiday games and videos. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.